Whether you work on electrical circuits professionally or just want to quickly repair some electronic device right at your home, having a powerful soldering iron is highly important. In today's video, we are going to look at the top 5 best soldering irons available on the market. We research web and read lots of real user review before creating the soldering irons list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the soldering irons mentioned, be sure to check the description. Subscribe our channel and press the bell button for more informative videos. Number 5. Power Pro Butane Soldering Iron. The Power Pro Butane Soldering Iron Kit is one of the highly rated kits if you are looking for a complete all-in-one option. It is a very portable soldering tool that comes with electronic ignition, and it offers a flame adjustment ranging from 1/2 inch to 2.5 inch. Further, you can refill it using butane, and thus it can easily last for a span of 2 hours. This soldering kit is efficient to do most of the tasks such as cutting plastics and wires, soldering, heat shrink wrapping, splicing, brazing to name a few. It also has a temperature output regulator through which the temperature can be adjusted very easily. Also, it offers a butane flame of 500 BTU and a power of 120 watts. Moreover, it is capable of providing enviable heat, as the maximum temperature offered by it is 2500 degrees Fahrenheit as a torch, and as a soldering iron, it offers 930 degrees Fahrenheit maximum temperature. Additionally, this butane soldering kit has a durable storage case. The case is divided into sections that has tips, accessories and attachments. Some of the accessories included are a soldering tip, hot knife, rosin solder, heat shrink shield, adjustable wrenches to name a few. It is very efficient to use as the flame can be maintained from all the angles. The best part is that it has a large fuel tank which can be refilled quite easily. A warranty of 1 year is also provided on this product, and thus we recommended that you purchase this product, especially if you are a beginner. Number 4. Weller BL60MP Cordless Soldering Iron. Coming to the next soldering iron stated in this listicle, we have one of the higher-end offerings from Weller that not only offers excellent performance but does it while being highly efficient. Weller's BL60MP soldering iron is the most powerful option stated here till now. With this soldering iron, you get an excellent temperature rating of 950 degrees Fahrenheit, which is to be expected at the given price tag. Despite having the highest temperature rating out of all the soldering irons present in this article, you have a power rating value of just 60 watts. Since this is a premium offering from Weller, the standard warranty period of 7 years is to be expected. Best features: consumes 60 watts of power. Rated maximum temperature of 950 degrees Fahrenheit. Comes with a warranty period of 7 years. Pros: excellent efficiency for a soldering iron. Highest temperature rating. Long warranty offered by the manufacturer. Cons: a bit on the expensive side. Number 3. Weller SP80N US 80 watts lead soldering iron. While it is one of the older options, the SP80N US can still be a great pick for a lot of buyers out there who are new to soldering irons and want a reliable option. The Weller SP80N US soldering iron comes at the first position of this list due to the fact that this soldering iron is the cheapest option stated here. Even at its given price tag, you are able to get a pretty high maximum temperature of 900 degrees Fahrenheit. It is able to offer this thanks to its power rating of 80 watts, which is also a bit on the higher side. Although, this also means that the power consumption of this Weller soldering iron will be on the higher side. Despite being an entry-level offering, you still get a warranty period of 7 years with this soldering iron from Weller. Best features: consumes 80 watts of power. Rated maximum temperature of 900 degrees Fahrenheit. Comes with a warranty period of 7 years. Pros: affordable Weller soldering iron. Inbuilt LED light for better visibility. Pretty high performance rating. Cons: power consumption a bit on the higher side. Number 2. Master Appliance Butane Powered Soldering Iron. This product is manufactured by Master Appliance that has a reputation of offering top-notch butane soldering iron products. The Master Appliance Ultra Torch UT 100 SiC butane soldering iron offers a maximum temperature of 932 degrees Fahrenheit for soldering, which is considered quite good. It offers self-ignition feature, and the product is ready to be used in just a span of 30 seconds. Moreover, it has a sturdy fuel tank having a viewing window through which you can monitor the level of fuel. Also, once the tank is full, it offers a run time of 2 hours, which is sufficient enough even for long jobs. The fuel type used in it is butane and has a tank capacity of 28 cc or 1.6 cubic in. Aside from this, UltraTorch UT100 is completely portable and cordless in nature, and you can preferably use it in doing multiple tasks. Not to mention, it is lightweight and has a compact size which looks quite good. With the product, you also get a steel storage case which is quite durable. Furthermore, it uses ultra-tip soldering tips, which lasts for a long time due to its higher thermal conductivity. Basically, it is a 3-in-1 tool that can be used as flameless heat tool, hot air, soldering iron and pinpoint butane torch. The hot air temperature can reach up to 1202 degrees Fahrenheit. UltraTorch UT100 presents all its users 1-year limited warranty, just in case they face any problems. Number 1. Dremel VersaTip Precision Butane Soldering Iron. The Dremel 2001 VersaTip Butane Soldering Iron is indeed a very versatile tool, as it offers a number of accessories that can come handy in doing professional or DIY jobs. It is also very convenient and easy to use, which helps it to stand out from its competitors. Further, based on the kind of material that you are using, soldering iron temperature can be adjusted as per the ideal temperature. This can very well be done using variable temperature control from 1022 degrees Fahrenheit to 2192 degrees Fahrenheit. With this product, you would get 14-piece kit through which you can work on a number of things, such as plumbing to jewelry making. In addition, you would have access to 6 different tips, a solder, protective cap, tins, cleaning sponge and perhaps 2 wrenches. The best thing we liked about this product is that it comes with flame lock. So, this feature can come handy for you just in case you are working on projects that are longer. Using this, you can keep the flame consistently without having to hold the trigger. Aside from this, the product is of premium quality, and thus it can easily last for a very long period of time. Also, you get 2-year warranty with this Dremel product.